Olori Tobiloba's secret revealed. Hey, my correct people. I told you that nothing is hidden under this planet. You see this planet, nothing is hidden. You think say that thing wey you dey hide, nobody know. God dey see you. God knows. And not be only God o, even some human being too know. So according to what we heard, my correct people, they say that Tobiloba's secret, why and what she did to come back to the palace, is being revealed. There's this her friend, that her best friend. I don't know, like call her best friend, I be just friend. That this lady, as we heard allegedly, they were too close. That was the lady that used to go to her her house in Ikoyi, when she was at the Ikoyi house. So whenever Kabiyesi will call on phone, the lady used to speak with Kabiyesi then. But Kabiyesi did not know the girl. Anybody that is so beautiful, Kabiyesi they like to speak with that person. Because Kabiyesi he wants and he like beautiful things. That is why he went and brought Tobiloba, not knowing that it is full of trouble and the disturbance and gbasgbos. So guys, according to what we heard, they said that they were nagging at the palace, and Olori Tobiloba started telling Olori Ronke and Igbi that they should present their evidence of being married to Kabiyesi, that they doesn't have evidence. And Kabiyesi and Igbi and Blue was like, do you think we don't know what you did before you entered the palace? So she was like, whatever it is that she did, whether she, as Igbi was saying that she did arrange, whether she did arrange or not, people should go and do your own. Let her see that she's a big woman. That is why she was able to do it, and Kabiyesi still welcome her back to the palace. That if the thing is paining them so much, they should go and do their DNA test. So they started telling her, like, look at you, even though you said you have twins, they still welcome you back. You still have the guts to bring your boyfriend into the palace. That among them that is your senior, among them that senior you, who have brought their boyfriend into the palace. And the girl was like, oh, you even have boyfriend itself. Hey, I didn't even know that you have boyfriend. That she thought that it's only her, and people will be opening mouth and closing here. Abeg, let her hear one. So that is how they say she continued to give people enough wahala until one of the Ile-Ife women stormed palace and met her speaking to these women anyhow. Her senior, say Ronke senior her na, Blue senior her. No only na her, as in just she senior Kunyomi with just small thing. That is to tell that she's still a very young and what will I say now? Abeg, let me not say that thing that I want to say. So then when the woman left, it happened that it was the mother to her best friend. I don't know whether is it that she don't know. So the woman went home and told her daughter that, look at the kind of insult this woman, this TikTok is busy showering on these women in the palace. That thing, she don't like it at all. That you need to talk to her. I think she's your friend. So when the lady went home, when the woman, after telling the lady that thing, the lady called her as a friend now and was like, what is she hearing? Is it that you have been using your children to insult the Oloris in the palace? Is it because they have not given birth for Kabiyesi? What is happening? Is that kind of thing you are doing? Is it unfair? And she was like, who are you to tell her how she will live in her husband's house? And the lady was like, I'm not telling you how you are going to live in your husband. I'm just telling you to behave yourself. It's not because you have gotten children for Kabiyesi and you think you can insult other women. And she was like, don't you ever dare, don't ever dare tell her how to speak and how not to speak. And if they think they need children, they can go and get their own. My people, some statements self that if it is true that she make the statement, those statements is even implicating. Yes, the thing looks so implicating, as if she did what they said she did. I don't know whether she did though, let me not say. So as she started telling the woman, the lady, abeg, you don't even dey look at you that have not even married. You are here telling me how to live with my husband. The thing come anger the woman, the lady. Okay, you're now reminding me that I have not married, abi? See, let me tell you, instead of me to marry the first man and come back, marry the second one and come back, and marry the third one, that this third one you are even into, I'm even very sure that very soon you are going to leave it. I rather remain not married, according to the lady. So the thing come hit her for ear. She was like, am I the one you are talking to like that? And the lady told her that you are more than stupid. How dare you remind her that she have not married, that she rather remain single than marrying the kind of the way you married. And you even think that they don't know what you did to come back to the palace. In short, promise. Because the thing, the two of them, they get mouth. She was speaking to the friend was also speaking back at her. This is how they continue to expose themselves. And that is the thing, got to the level that the friend promised her that she will see what is going to happen. She thought that she have arrived, abi. She have arrived because she went and they gathered children for Kabiyesi. In short, that have she even forgotten that she knows what she did to be welcomed back to this palace? My people. Now the woman, the lady they said have come to palace, so the next, I think after 2 days or so, to tell Kabiyesi what Aunty TikTok did to come back to the palace. That there is this babalawo, since they say that it was only 21 days that Queen stayed outside the palace after giving birth, and Queen was welcomed back to the palace. That her own come past how many months, she became so much and a half worried. She visited different kinds of babalawo. Now that particular one where she died, or particular one where she went, and that one, that one na ogbonge. The one can't give am wetin she rub and put for mouth. They said that that one told her that whoever that she will go to meet, that she should rub that thing on her body, and she should place it on her tongue, and she should bend down and be crying and be begging that person. My people, that Tobiloba visited so many people, even those people that she went before to see, she went back to see all of them. And it's not just only Queen Naomi that spoke to Kabiyesi to bring her back. That almost all of them that she visited before, she went back and they did exactly what the man told her to do. That is why each person she meets to speak with, the person will be, hey, don't worry, I'm going to speak to Kabiyesi. I will speak to him. You are going to come back. That is how she came back. Even that day she came back, she was not happy. Do you know why? She saw that Queen Naomi is at the royal manor. Her mood will change. The next thing she was thinking is, how am I going to push her out to take over? Because she's not a good person. See this her eye. This her eye will be like, anyway, guys, don't forget that all of these are alleged information. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I plead you to please give my video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.